Magandang hapon po ng November 4, 2023 Saturday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng November 4, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, November 4, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 4, 2023, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 100 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 jackpot price estimates is 98 million pesos for Saturday, November 4, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for November 4, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.